Fatty liver can be reason for gallbladder stones. Yes, it is true. Fatty liver is not just about scarring of the liver, but it can also lead to formation of stones in the gallbladder. If you have been diagnosed with fatty liver, you should be aware that this could be silently leading to gallbladder stones. Those painful little stones in your gallbladder that can cause nausea, bloating, and severe abdominal pain. Yes, fatty liver and gallbladder stones are closely connected. The relationship is often bidirectional, meaning one condition can increase the risk of developing the other. But don't worry, in today's video, I will explain how fatty liver can cause gallstones. And most importantly, I will share 5 powerful and science-backed natural tips to help you reverse fatty liver and protect your gallbladder naturally. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Madhvi Vash from Bharat Homeopathy. Today I am back with a very important topic, how fatty liver can cause gallstones and how you can reverse your fatty liver with only 5 natural tips. So stay tuned till the end because your liver and gallbladder will thank you after watching this video. See, your liver is a detoxifying organ of your body. It produces bile which helps break down fats. But when too much fat accumulates in the liver cells, this condition is called fatty liver or hepatic steatosis. Fatty liver disease is of two types. The first is alcoholic fatty liver disease and the second is non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. In the initial stages, fatty liver does not cause obvious symptoms, but if ignored, it can progress to liver inflammation, fibrosis, and eventually cirrhosis or liver failure. And here's the most important part. When your liver becomes fatty and sluggish, it directly affects another small but crucial organ of your body, which is the gallbladder. Now let's understand how fatty liver can cause gallstones. Your liver produces bile which is stored in the gallbladder. This bile is made up of bile salts, cholesterol and bilirubin. It helps digest fat when you eat. But when your liver is fatty, its ability to process and balance bile composition gets disturbed. In fatty liver, liver cells become overloaded with fat and toxins. This slows down bile production and alters its quality. It releases extra cholesterol into the bile. Because of poor liver function and slow gallbladder contraction, bile becomes thicker and stagnant. Over time, the excess cholesterol crystallizes and forms gallstones. So, fatty liver indirectly increases your risk of gallstones by disturbing bile composition and slowing gallbladder motility. Alright, so we have discussed everything related to fatty liver and gallstones. Now let's talk about the tips you should follow to reverse the fatty liver and prevent gallstones. The first step is to choose liver detoxifying food. Your diet plays the biggest role in reversing fatty liver. Well, the role of the diet is to reduce fat accumulation, detoxifying the liver and improve bile flow. You can include some friendly foods in your diet like leafy greens like spinach and kale, beetroot, turmeric, lemon water, cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cabbage and cauliflower, avocado and olive oil. The second tip is very important for you. It is to manage your stress and sleep. Well, chronic stress increases the hormone cortisol, which can worsen insulin resistance, increase fat storage, and slow liver function. Also, poor sleep disrupts metabolism and increases the craving for sugary, fatty foods, all of which burden the liver. Now, what you need to do is to manage both stress and sleep. You must get 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night and practice relaxation techniques like yoga, meditation, and deep breathing. The third tip is to stay hydrated. See, water is your liver's best partner. It helps flush out toxins and prevents fatty buildup. You should aim for 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Herbal teas such as ginger tea, dandelion tea, or green tea also help in reducing liver inflammation. So, staying hydrated ensures smooth bile production, which is crucial for fat digestion. The fourth healthy liver tip is to eliminate alcohol and processed food from your diet. Your liver is already working hard to filter toxins. Don't overload it. Alcohol and processed food packed with sugar, refined flour, and trans fats damage liver cells. You can replace soft drinks with lemon water or herbal teas and swap packaged snacks with nuts and fruits. Remember, moderation is the key. The last step is to avoid overuse of over-the-counter medicines or NSAIDs. Your liver processes everything you consume, including medicines. Overuse of painkillers, antibiotics, and unnecessary supplements can burden the liver. You should try natural alternatives where possible and always consult your doctor before long-term use of any medicine. Also, you should minimize exposure to household chemicals, pesticides, and artificial additives. Fatty liver treatment is possible with Bharat homeopathic medicines, which are natural and prescribed based on the constitution and symptoms. Bharat homeopathic medicine is safe, effective, and brings result in the shortest possible time. So, if you or someone you know is struggling with fatty liver and wants a natural side effect free treatment, you can contact us and talk to us. We will help you in your liver recovery journey. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel for more health related content. Thanks.